Good morning and welcome back, everyone. It's a bit of a special week this week, but I've got the feeling that I'm saying this almost every week, so maybe it's not that special after all. Trying to do a lot of things, as you will see in just these upcoming minutes, but it's been interesting and fun nevertheless. So this week I'm trying to focus on making the supports for my beehives. They've been out on these concrete blocks, which you've seen me put in last week. But I wanted something bigger because obviously I want to grow and have more families of bees, so I need more space. These two concrete blocks are the perfect foundation, I think, to put these wooden beams on top of. So by moving them just a little, I can put two long wooden beams on there, so I can put more beehives. I'm still learning a lot, obviously. Not trying to document every single thing because the focus is obviously on the villa plus all the side projects that I'm doing, but not that in depth. So I will continue learning, and at some point I can start making videos about the bees and how to do all this stuff as well, if you all would like to see that anyways. So bees are doing great, but I'm trying to focus on the kitchen this week. So back to the kitchen, even if it's just for a little bit. So these shelves I made last week, and now it was time to oil them. I've got some linseed oil, which I want to apply to all these shelves, and then they can go on the walls. So having just about finished this thing I wanted to do, I got a call from my neighbor asking me if I needed some roof tiles that he was gonna throw out. So obviously I said yes. So stopped everything that I was doing and started carrying over some roof tiles. As you might recall, there are two little roofs that I want to fix up. One is at the front door and one is at the back door. And they are both not in great state, missing some roof tiles, and definitely need some fixing. So after about half a day, I guess, of carrying roof tiles, I was finally done moving every single one of them. And just like that, we have some roof tiles. Alright, back to work. At least that was the idea. This week being this week, that didn't happen. At least not the work that I was planning on doing, which is in the kitchen. I needed to go see my friend Giuseppe to get some stuff for my bees, but the visit turned out a little bit longer than I expected. So as you might be able to tell from the footage, it is quite a windy day today. Nevertheless, there was this swarm high up in the trees. So he said, never mind, let it go, it's not worth it. I, however, was very excited and pushed us to try to get it out anyways. So that's basically what we did. Unfortunately, just before this clip, I didn't manage to get a shot in because we were busy. But basically what happened was Giuseppe went up the tree to get the swarm to basically cut the branch that they were on. And bear in mind, I did not bring my suit because I wasn't planning on working with bees anyways. And I was downstairs on the ladder making sure that it didn't tip over. So Giuseppe started cutting the tree branch. And instead of it gently bending or something, it, for some reason, snapped. So the whole bee colony swung down, and a lot of them fell off and dropped down. And down is where my face was. So they started stinging me, so I got stung like 10 times or something. A couple on my head, arms, body, etc. And one on the side of my face. Honestly, not the most interesting story ever. I'm just telling you because now you understand. If you see footage of me with my face half swollen, you know why. Giuseppe being Giuseppe, he was very kind and said like, if we get this swarm out, you can have it. So I guess I've got another family of bees that I can take care of. Thank you so much, Giuseppe.
Sempre in piano, eh?
Sì. So, back at the villa, it was already time for my next guest. Ja, en deze was gebeukt. En nu deze boven. Hier zijn ook minder stoppen. Oh, cool. So among other things, we bought a lot of insulation, and that is for a future project though. That is for the beehives in winter, so there's not for now. There are some appliances in the kitchen that I want to clean and repair. One of those things is this cooker that I would like to use because I've already got the tap, I've already got the cooker. Might as well try to repair it, clean it and use it. After having done all that though, I might decide not to use it because it's not as great as another boiler that I have. So I might use it in a different spot later on. So after that we had a multi-day fight with the dishwasher, which I didn't know didn't work. So I guess I either bought it malfunctioning or it stopped working over the course of a year. I guess that it was sitting idle. Anyways, we tried our best to repair it. So, unfortunately though, in the end we didn't manage to fix it, but time flew by and it was already time for Timo to leave. So thanks again Timo for coming over. I really appreciate all the help. And now I've quickly got to start preparing all the materials and work for the next guest that is coming over next week. Ciao ciao.